How you can install the voice message from Messenger into your PC. So let's start. So firstly you have to go into your Messenger. Now here you have to go into your voice message, and as you can see that here is no option to install or download it. Now what you have to do is go into your new tab, and here you have to search for the screen recorder. Now here you have to install any of the screen recorder, and after that you have to go back to your Messenger once you install it, and from here you have to start the screen recording. So once the voice message is finished, you have to add it to your desired location into your PC, and after that you have to again go into your new tab, and from here you have to go and search for the MP4 to MP3 converter, and here you have to click on this first link of the cloud convert. Now once you are in here, you have to add your file that you previously record, and once you add it you have to simply download it. So once you download it, you are able to download your voice message and convert it easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.